Tried to start the bike again yesterday, and it just wouldn't start. And I know I'm going to have to do it anyway, so I think it's time to go ahead and take the carburetors off and actually clean them for real. So that's the plan, but before I do all that, I really got to clear this place out. Alright, we're getting there. It's looking better. Still got some stuff to do, but went through, reorganized my tools, and basically this is everything I've taken off the bike so far. Just the air filter, there's the screws, 2 covers, so, and there's a seat over there. As someone pointed out in the comments, I should not be able to move that easily. The only resistance is this spring. So it's not actually engaging and disengaging the clutch. So that's pretty horrifying. Who knows what's going on there. But we'll find out. And somebody was asking me how the forks looked. And actually, not that bad. I mean, the rubber looks good. I'm not seeing a lot of oil. Someone else also mentioned go ahead and replacing the fuse panel, which I think is a magnificent idea. I'm not exactly sure what's going on here. Yeah, definitely some further exploration there is needed. Because the one that burned up says it's a 10 amp and it's for the headlight. I took the fuse out, the headlight still comes on, and the fuse that's in there is a 30. And these wires obviously have gotten hot at some point too, so that's all pretty sketch. Yeah, I also got a lot of shit for hooking it up to the hooking my battery up to the car when the car was running. Also a lot of debate as to how bad that really is, but someone had mentioned I need to make sure that my charging system is working, so that's something I'll do eventually when I get it up and running again. I guess we'll start by seeing if these carburetors come off. You can see how dry, I don't think I showed in the first video how dry rotted, what's the right term? I don't know. They're fucked basically, so I'm really hoping that they don't come apart when I'm taking these carbs off of here. Right. So what happened here is somebody ran a new wire, goes straight into the headlight. So what may be happening is that this fuse is really doing nothing, because power may come in on this side and go to the headlight, and that might be the old wire. Okay. Yes. A lot of gunk all over them, but rubber's not cracked or anything. Can I just take this off here? Yes. That's another delicate piece. Yeah, look at the rubber that already came off. Huh. There we go. It's still kind of stuck on there, but definitely loose. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's probably good enough. There we go. Got the carburetors off. Got them over here. Got two of them taken apart. Almost all the way. These little secondary jets here. I tried to get this one out, but I just don't have a screwdriver that's the right size. Here's the parts over here. But I'm going to go ahead and order the rebuild kit for these carbs since I've already got them halfway taken apart anyway. It's a bet I can find a good rebuild kit that has all the gaskets and everything for about $35 on eBay. So, and really nothing seemed clogged, and I haven't tested the floats yet to see if they're good or not. The only thing I really saw was like the rubber gaskets here. are a little loose, and I think the new kit will just come with all new jets and gaskets. But I mean, it really didn't look too bad. Here's the float needle here. Maybe all that stuff is just worn, and I think it's gonna be good to go ahead and replace it since it's cheap to do that. So while I'm waiting on that, what I'm gonna do today is drain the oil. There's the oil drain right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this cover off. Should not be able to turn this by hand. So something is not connected in here, some part is missing. I don't know exactly what's going on, but that's what we're gonna discover today. And what I may do even before that is take this cover off of the master brake cylinder and see if I can bleed that front brake and get this to work. So that's the plan for today. Basically get a list of parts together that I need, order them all, and then go from there.